Meantime, let's shift gears and connect with the management of IIFL as well to talk a little bit about the highlights of their quarter gone by. Remember, the revenue from operations is up about 21% on year. The total income from operations has come in at about 1,091 crores, and profits have managed to grow quite smartly by about 36%, 318 crore rupees. The NBFC business NIMs have come in higher by 23 basis points at 7.13%. Prabodh Agarwal is the Group CFO IIFL, now joining in on the show. Good morning. Thanks for being with us on ET Now. Mr. Agarwal, profit growth has been quite steady this time around. What really led to this? What have been the key drivers this quarter?
In the NBFC business, our loan AUM has grown by 40% YOY, and we have crossed 31,000 crores. Our profits have grown by 33% for the quarter and about 31% for the full year. We earned about 19.3% ROE, about 2.2% ROA. Our NPAs have declined both at the gross NPA level and at the net NPA level. So it was an all-round good performance. In the wealth management business, our AUMs have grown by 39% YOY, and they have crossed 1,31,000 crores. Our profits have grown very strongly by over 40% YOY. And in the capital market business, again, the market volumes have been pretty good. Both our revenues and bottom line have grown. Bottom line has grown by more than 45% YOY.
What about the NBFC business? Tell us the kind of disbursement growth you've witnessed and which are the segments that are showing you strong growth?
Yeah, so the NBFC, we believe that the growth prospects continue to look very good. The advantage that we have is that we have a very diversified loan book. We have 8 products ranging from home loan, loan against property, construction finance, commercial vehicle loans, gold loans, capital market loans, MSME loans, and microfinance loans. And of late, we have been focusing on very small ticket home loans, small ticket SME loans, and microfinance loans. These are the 3 fastest growing segments where the yields are high. And what we have also been focusing on is improving our asset quality. And what we have seen in the last quarter is for all the products, Q on Q, our NPA levels have fallen, both in absolute terms and in percentage terms. So our net NPA has now gone down to 0.78. Our gross NPAs are around 1.7%. And, the other thing which is positive is our NIMs have expanded. Our cost of funding has been falling, and, the yields have been stable or have slightly risen. And as a result, our NIMs have expanded.
NBFC business, how's the asset quality shaped up there, and which segments are you seeing stress, and where is it that you see some improvements coming by?
So the thing is that, we on the home loan side, for example, we are not seeing any issues on the asset quality front. Of course, commercial vehicle is now in upcycle, and therefore there again the asset quality is gradually improving. Gold loan is a very safe product where historically we have had almost 0 NPAs, and that continues to be the case. Of course, in some of the new products that we have grown in the last few quarters, like SME loans, there are NPA incidences, but this is an unsecured product where the yields are high and some NPA is bound to happen, which is factored into our normalized loss ratio. And the actual delinquency is well below the normalized level of loss that we are expecting. Similarly, on the microfinance loans, we had delinquency post the demonetization, but that's behind us. Going forward now, we think that the asset quality is pretty stable.
What about the wealth management segment? What's been the overall AUM growth and the client addition, and how much profit contribution are you getting now from this business?
So wealth management, we believe that still the penetration of wealth management services in the in the HNI segment is still very low. There are a lot of wealthy people who are still not using professional managers to manage their wealth. And in addition, the number of, say, dollar millionaires in India the wealth with the HNI is growing. So we believe that there is still a lot of growth ahead. We offer a complete gamut of services to a HNI family, including brokerage, research. We provide credit solutions. We provide family office, succession planning, trusteeship, etc. And therefore, we are seeing that the number of clients is increasing.
Now, last quarter, you demerged the consolidated business into 3 distinct businesses, and those were to be listed separately. Can you tell us what is the further update on this and when this is going to be completed?
Yeah, so the last quarter we initiated that. The application has been filed with the 2 stock exchanges and with the SEBI. After that, it will go to NCLT. After that, we need to take approval of the shareholders, the creditors. So it's a bit of a long process. Will take about 10 odd months. So it is in the initial stage.
Right, we wish you all the very best. Thanks for giving us a heads up as to how things have shaped up for the quarter gone by. The street doesn't seem awfully pleased, stock down about 2% in trade as we speak.